So this is just Lightning Mac, and now I'm going to show you some features, and this might break in this video. So the legs can move on both sides. You can spin this and you can shoot it, but I'm not going to do it right now. You can see J right in there, and you can move these, and you can move the arms on both sides. And that is just Lightning Mac.